Despite not becoming as successful as the company had hoped, Nike's Field General from 1982 nevertheless offers appealing designs for people seeking a low-key silhouette with swooshes. Most recently, the Phantom and Baroque Brown color scheme for the sports-inspired design was introduced. On paper, the two-tone makeup complements Nike Sportswear's fall-appropriate collections, but a close look at the pair shows that they are presented in a stylish and modern manner. The newest Field General has a brown cow print on the upper with synthetic fur, similar to types from other shoemakers. A common finish on the Air Footscape Woven is also referenced by the uneven areas throughout the lower heel, along the tongue, and around the forefoot. Look forward to the official cow print Field General. Nike.com should start selling pairs of the women's only model before the holidays.